Hello, good evening. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 148. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-521-303. That's NE206-521-303. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. So the Peerless Patches, 35 out of 50 of Ryan Spinner for the Bruins. And we have a rookie patch autograph of Jonas Brodin for the Wild. Base card goal, 43 out of 50. Martin Brodeur for the Devils. We got a complete sweaters, 19 out of 25 of Mario Lemieux for the Penguins. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. And we have a private signings hit, 68 out of 199 for the Stars of Jamie Alexiak. And then we finish off with a base card of Ryan Miller for the Sabres. 229 and a 299. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.